Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW 1 Series front grille. First, let's get prepared. You will need a T30 Torx driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a flashlight. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. Then, open the hood and carefully remove the rubber weather stripping that runs along the top of the bumper. This gives you better access to the grille area. Now, let's remove the old grille. You will find 4 T30 Torx screws above the kidney grills. Unscrew these and set them aside. Gently pull the top section of the bumper trim forward to create a small gap. Look inside with a flashlight to locate the 6 retaining clips holding each grille. Using your flat blade screwdriver or a right angle tool, carefully depress the center of each clip while applying gentle outward pressure on the grille. This helps prevent the clips from re-engaging. With the old grille removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new BMW 1 Series grille and carefully align its tabs with the corresponding slots in the bumper opening. Once aligned, firmly push the grille into place. You should hear distinct clicks as each of the 6 clips engages. After both grilles are installed, give them a gentle tug to ensure they are securely seated and flush with the surrounding bumper. This confirms a proper fit. You're almost done. Now, replace the 4 T30 Torx screws you removed earlier and tighten them down. Reinstall the rubber weather stripping along the top of the bumper, ensuring it's properly seated. Take a moment to double-check both new grilles, making sure they are perfectly aligned and securely fastened. For an extra touch, you might clean any accumulated debris from behind the grille area before closing the hood. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.